So we're out at my dad's cousin's house, and here's their air conditioner. It's a Carrier Comfort Series. Comfort Series high efficiency air conditioner with Puron. I think this is the 14 series. We'll see in a bit. But yeah, it's matched up to a Carrier gas furnace. And the odd thing is that the windows are actually open here. Let me see if I can get a shot. Okay, no, I can't. But the windows here are actually open. This thing's running because they forgot to turn it off. It's only about 74 degrees out, so it's not that hot. But it's got a Copeland-Scroll down there, as you can see. It's very quiet for just the base model unit. Let's go look around back. There are the furnace flue vents. It's got a Carrier furnace, you can kind of hear it. 2009 13 SEER 4-ton with R410A. The liquid line's about outdoor temperature. The suction line is cold and sort of sweaty. It's got R410A Puron. Model number 24ACB 348A300. Kind of rattling. That mover. Could use a cleaning. Sounds a lot like my friend's Carrier Tech 2000 unit. It's funny, this house is a 4-ton. It's not that big. It's only about 1,900 square feet. It's got a basement, but you know. Noise level test for you. Nice unit for what it is. And the house was built sometime in the early 90s. I think like 91 or 92. So this replaced the original unit. But yeah. Good Carrier. My first Carrier comfort unit I've videoed. So that's good. Pretty much it. So 2009 4-ton Carrier Comfort Series air conditioner at my dad's cousin's house. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's it.